Hi, how's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be talking about the country Taiwan. Taiwan, the Republic of China, is a democratic nation that consists of mostly mountains in the east and sloping plains in the west. Tourists of Taiwan talk about how stunning their scenery is, and their cityscapes are natural wonders. Taiwan's population consists of 23,588,392 people, with the GNI per capita being 25,501, putting them in the high income group. They ranked very high in doing business with as well, being ranked as the 15th best country in the world to do business with in 2022. The Doing Business Index was made to use these main factors of running a business, like starting the business, dealing with construction permits, getting electricity, registering property, etc., to see what countries were the best for running a business in. Consistently, Taiwan has been a top 10 to 15 country to do business in. One reason being their dedication to quality. Examples coming from Lululemon and Patagonia, two high-end clothing companies using their fabrics from Hyperbola, a Taiwan-based fabric supplier. Altec being another great example of this is a research company researching technology for the future and is also doing developments in AI. Both of these companies can be found in science parks across Taiwan. There are 6 science parks across Taiwan that are solely dedicated for technology of the future, researching this and trying to plan the future of technology in Taiwan. Taiwan's main industry is electronics and communication, with its main exports being electronics, basic metals, chemicals, and machinery. Its principal export trading partners include China, the United States, Japan, South Korea, and the associations of Southeast Asian nations. Happiness in Taiwan. In 2021, Taiwan ranked as the 24th happiest country in the world happiness report. This was the highest the country ever reported and was also the highest ranked country in East Asia. With the pandemic affecting every country in the world, Taiwan, compared to its 4 counterparts in East Asia, they scored the lowest COVID-19 infections due to its experience with severe acute respiratory syndrome, which has similar symptoms to COVID-19. This was spread across the country in 2003. They also conducted virus tracing and imposed strict quarantines on arrivals. Also during the pandemic, citizens said they were able to maintain their normal lives within the social distancing rules. And when Taiwan contained the virus within their borders, they were able to help other countries with the pandemic. During this time, East Asian countries' economies were at a steady rate of around 8% decline, while Taiwan's economy held a steady rate of 1.5% growth during the first 5 months of the pandemic. Taiwan's healthcare is very affordable, and patients usually have short waiting times. 99.9% of Taiwan's residents are enrolled in the NHH, the National Health Insurance. In this program, patients can still pick their own doctors and are offered several benefits like dental care, mental health care, prescription drugs, and so many other great benefits. Even with these plans, death is inevitable. And the leading cause of death in Taiwan was cancer, claiming over 50,000 lives in 2020. And these cancer-related deaths accounted for 29% of the country's total mortality that year. Other common diseases in Taiwan is Japanese encephalitis, severe acute respiratory system, and scrub typhus. While these diseases are dangerous, they are usually not deadly if the person is properly treated. Conclusions of Taiwan. Taiwan for the last decade has shown it is a great place to do business in for any type of company. It has also shown that living there is just as good with beautiful views and a high happiness rating from its civilians. Taiwan has shown again and again is a great place for living and running a business.